Alright, so coming out in the garage, and of course insurance giving the run around, so trying to get ahead of this, going on vacation next week. So I called up to Mile High Harley, asked them what's their process on getting the bike over to them, looking at it, and going through insurance. They just said they just need my address. They'll come pick it up and start looking into it and get an estimate on what it's going to take to repair it. So I'll get it out here in a second. I'll do a little walk around once I get the truck out of the way, have the driver coming to pick up the bike. So my insurance is working on an estimate on what they think from just pictures. So you really can't tell from pictures. If anything on the inside is messed up, so that's why I called up Harley. I was like, hey, this is what happened. And they're like, hey, we'll send somebody out, pick the bike up for you, get your estimate. If we fix it, they'll go through insurance. If not, they'll charge me the pickup fee and the estimate fee, or just looking over it. And then if I go to a third party to fix it, or through Harley, which I'll probably just let them fix it since I have the bike anyway. But yeah, once I get it out, let me know how much you guys think is going to cost to fix the bike. I'll go over it a little bit in the driveway with a little bit of room. But yeah, I don't think it's going to be cheap. So I've been looking at other bikes just in case something that I can't see is messed up and they end up totaling out. But man, I got this one for a steal. So to find another white one, like I said, it's pretty sure it's got to be white. There's not too many out there in the right color. Like, there's different shades of white, so we'll see. But yeah, let me get this out. The driver's on the way. Let me get out of the garage, do one more walk around, and then get it loaded up and get it out of here. All right, so it might be a little awkward because if the bars are straight, the wheel's pointed that way. So I'll try my best, but it's already damaged, right? Alright, of course I've looked at it, but this is the first time out of the garage since getting it home that I really had a chance to look at it in the daylight. Yeah, still have the temp tags on it. 3 weeks with it, and somebody ran a red light. But yeah, obviously the obvious damage, the bat wing, the fairing. Well, the fender, that's definitely going to need to be replaced. It's all bent up. I'm not sure about any of if the wheel's actually bent or if it's just the forks, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, I think the wheel's jacked up. So we'll see about that. I know the headlight, the bezel at least is broke. The headlight itself might still be good, who knows if the brackets behind it are broken. The forks obviously have damage on both sides. This one's a little dented in, so I don't know if that one came into contact with the engine guard or not, but engine guard scraped up, foot pegs are scraped up. I believe the kickstand is jacked up also. But the turn signal, like I said, I was looking to replace these anyway to make them black. So I might go with the strip ones, the LEDs. Of course, inner outer fairing, those are messed up. Speaker, broken. This mirror is probably broken too. Little scuffs on the clutch and the handlebar a little bit. And then the bag is scratched up too, so I'm not sure. It's a little loose, but we'll see. We will see. That looks like the truck right there. But yeah, 21,307 miles on it. I've only put 280 on it since I've had it, so yeah. But yeah, we'll get this loaded up and see what they say. Let me know what you guys think, how much it's going to be to fix it, just from what you guys see. If there's anything else that we can't see, I'm sure they'll discover that. But yeah, I'm gonna get this loaded up and go on vacation. Alright, there she goes, all loaded up. The guy that came to pick it up, he was asked a question about the G-body. He said he had a couple of them, a 78 and 79. Said he had a couple bought Chevy Caprices, so he's a real cool guy, Chevy guy. He said he's a car guy before bikes. It's pretty much the same, but yeah, so Alicia, she's off, and we'll wait to hear back from Harley, see what they say, see what the quote is, see what the insurance says their quote is, and hopefully get this thing fixed.